Hi everyone, I am Carla. I am the creator of Sweet Clay Creations and I am based in Maryland, USA. And I officially want to introduce myself to you today and show you a little bit of what I do and a little bit of the history too. I've been doing this for about 8 years. So everything started with my three girls, and one of them was interested in making some clay. So we started watching some YouTube tutorials, and as soon as I started making that, it's like I got myself into it, and I couldn't believe how exciting it was to make miniature out of clay and turn it into like the real thing. So that passion started from 8 years ago, and now I have my little business, and I have you guys to show you, and you two inspire me to do better every day. So I hope you enjoy. I'm gonna show you soon what I do, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you. Bye. So we're gonna do today an avocado, and the first one that we need is this green, and we're gonna mix it with black. So now we're gonna do the other layer. We're gonna use white, green, and yellow. So we're gonna mix this together, and we're gonna have this color. So right now we have these two. We are gonna do another layer. We're gonna use white, light green, and yellow. We're gonna mix this together, and this is the result. And for the final, we're just gonna use yellow. So right now we are going to roll this, and this is gonna be the outside of the avocado. And now we are going to cover this. And make sure that you cover every single piece. Don't worry if it's not perfect, because you're gonna roll it and then like this until it's smooth. And now you just leave it in there for a little bit and wait until it's hard, because if you cut it right now, it's gonna be really soft. So make sure that the clay is hard before you cut it. So right now we're gonna cut it in half. And we're gonna shape. Just to flatten it. And it is, we're gonna do both half. Just what I do is I flatten here and leave this little bump, like the real avocados, and just make sure that you just pinch the top. So this is the third color we mixed, and this is a new technique that I've been using. So we're just gonna roll it and make sure that it's really thin. And I'm gonna use this cutter. It's a leaf cutter. It's a mini cutter. And now we're just gonna put it in here. And we're just gonna try to blend as much as we can. That's why it has to be really thin. So you just blend. It takes a little bit of time, but with patience, you can do it. And you shape it again. Now we're gonna use the last color, and it's light yellow. And we're gonna roll it again, and then we make sure that it's really thin. And we're gonna use a smaller cutter. So we just cut, lift it, and now we put it in the center again. We just do the same thing. We're going to mix and blend it as much as we can. And now we shape it again. We're gonna use this little brush. Now you lift it. And you can, don't worry about this, you can just fix it again. So now we're just gonna put the pin. And we're gonna use a dotting tool to make the center. And you can use any, maybe bigger. and I put a little bit of baking balm just to hold the little seed, and you just put it in there. So what we're gonna use today is these are chalk pastels, and we're just gonna scrape it. It's just a little bit, and this is like black. You're gonna use a brush, and you're just gonna put it on there to give it like a more realistic look. So after it's done, we're gonna put it in the oven at 225 Fahrenheit, and I do it for about 45 minutes. So you go ahead and you bake it. So after we bake it, we're gonna cut the wire, and we're just gonna do the loop. So something like that. Now we're gonna put the earring. These are gonna be for earrings. We're just gonna close the little loop. And now we are going to place them. So now we're just gonna glaze them, and this is a UV resin. So we're just gonna cover it all. So we're gonna use the UV light, and we're just gonna leave it there for about 2 minutes and wait until it dries. So this is the final product of the little tutorial that we made. As you can see now, they have the gloss and they are super shiny and really small. And I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and follow. Thank you so much.